use the table function. Use the table function. What you get? Factorize that. Plus 24. And the plus 10. Step 1. Find the root. It's minus 4. No, 3 and 2 actually, because they don't multiply to give it a long division. It goes out. X squared plus 4x. Take it all. Minus 5x. Multiply it out. Yeah. Change the sign. Right, you're on the next one. I'm here to with you now anyway, so we're going to the next one. Goes in 6 times. Then we have to. Alright, just give me 1 second. I'll get you now. X equals 2. X equals 3. Alright, so. Sorry, it's. So, what's happening here is this is the general equation, alright? And it's to the power of 11. So your very first term is 11, 0. And then it's 3x. If you take the two of them away from each other, because n is 11, and for the very first one, r equals 0. Okay, if you do n minus r, you get 3x to the power of 11. Okay, the second term in the expansion is 11c1. Now you take 1 power away from the 3x, you get 3x to the power 10. Yeah, well then it's going to be, see the minus 1? That's going to be minus 1 to the power 1. Now what always happens is these have to add up to give you 11, right? So you only want the 6th term, you don't want the whole thing, right? So 11c0 is the first term, 11c1 is the second term, 11c2 is the third term, 11c3 is the fourth term, 11c4 is the 5th term, 11c5 must be the sixth term. Okay, so you put 11c5. Then you do take the two numbers away from each other, and you get 3x to the power of 6, and they both have to add to 11. So minus 1 to the power of 5, right? You know it's going to be an x to the power 6, because, and then you ignore the x and you put everything else into the calculator. Okay, so if you whip out your calculator there, so 11 11, no, so it means 11c5, it's a function on your calculator. So it's 11, choose 5. Okay, and then it's 3 to the power 6. and minus 1 to the power of 5. Yeah, minus 336. Yeah. Right. So if it says the word coefficient, it's just the number that comes in front of it. But it doesn't say coefficient, it wants the whole term. So it's that and the x to the power 6 as well. Cool. All right. So it's x equals 2, minus 2, minus 1, and 2, is it? Then turn them all into factors. So when you move them out to your side, okay, no, you're going to have to multiply them all by each other. Pick any two you want and multiply them by each other, okay? Huh? Yeah, go work away. Yeah, so that'd be the two of them are out to x squared plus 3x plus 2, is it? And then you're multiplying that by the x minus 2. 3 in the first bracket, 2 in the second bracket, 6 pieces, right? Shh. X cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x squared. And then 2x take away 4. Okay. Cubed plus 1x squared. Okay, so we're going to check that answer with the graph we're given. Okay, so we go to our table function in our calculator. Okay, and we throw it in and we see what happens. All right, so menu calculate x or 3 minus 2x squared. I'll say plus 1x squared. Okay, and those do it like from, see your graph is like 3. See we go from minus 2 to 3. Just check those numbers. That can be the start and the range and the end of the range. Step 1. All right, so you're checking out your values. Does it have minus 2, 0? Has minus 1, 0? Does it have 0 minus 4? No, it doesn't have 0 minus 4, right? So here's where, so your one's going to have to be 0 minus 4, right? But this one is, what is it? It's 0. It's 0, 12, isn't it? No, 0, 12, right? So it's 3 times bigger. 12 is 3 times bigger than 4, and it's in the wrong direction. So that means you have to multiply your entire equation by, no, divide 12 by minus 4. Minus 3. Full equation by minus 3. Okay? And if you were to try this equation, it fits perfectly. Right. So once again, we're trying to find the equation of a graph here. Okay. And when we find the equation of this graph, it crosses at 2 points for this one. Because it touches the x-axis, it's known as a repeated root. So that means you use x equals 2 twice. Okay. Then you bring it over to your side. And you create 3 factors. X plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 2. And now you multiply these out. You multiply these out, you're going to get x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay. and you're going to get x plus 1. Shh. Multiply it out again. You get x cubed is 4x squared plus 4x. That's 1x squared minus 4x plus 4. They cancel. Sorry, Martha. Yep. Yeah, exactly the same as me, yep. Now we're going to test it using our table function and see if it's the same one or not. Yeah, you could if you want. You don't have to though. There's plus 4 here. Shh. All right, let's get back. Right now, okay. Did you put on the calculator? And you did like a whatever minus 2 to 3 range. Now see where it hits the x-axis, or the y-axis is 0, 4. You don't have 0, 4. You have 0, 8. So we're twice the size of this graph. So what you do with the graph? No, multiply by 2 because you're twice as tall. So because you're twice as tall, you need to double it. Yep. Right. So we're happy we doubled that, and that is our function. Yeah. Okay. Next question. All right. Get rid of the fractions on the third one. Don't want the fractions. So 3, use sixths. 2, 2, 2, 2. Right. We get 3x minus y plus 2z equals 4. All right. Now we just pick a letter to get rid of. I think we could do. I like the y. See the way you have a plus y and a minus y already. You can get rid of z if you want, but I'm thinking I'm going to get rid of the y's because I can add straight downwards, can't I? With little or no effort. So, but it's your choice. Okay. So keep a track of. I used equation A and equation C. I didn't use equation B at all. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add A and B together. So I'm going to multiply B by minus 1. And I'll multiply. Oh, whoa. Shouldn't have done that. Okay. Right. So 2x plus 3y plus equals 7. So do you see this equation here? I have to get rid of the y's again because I got rid of the y's in the first one. I mean, I have to get rid of the y's in the second one as well. So what we're going to do here. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to multiply that equation by minus 3. I get minus 3x minus 3y minus 3z equals minus 6. And I get minus 1x minus z equals 1. So see the way I have the same two letters twice? I have xz in one equation and xz in the other equation. Only then can you pair them up. Multiply this one on the right by 3. Yeah, 1x equals 9. So, oh, not 9. I make a mistake. All right. Multiply this by minus 3. Add it to the middle one. 2z. Look at that. That's not great. All right, lads. That's where my mistake came in. All right, lads. Quiet, please. No. So I'm going to multiply this equation by 2, by 3. Actually, just multiply this equation by 4. Get rid of z's. Minus 4x minus 8z Multiply by 4 to get rid of the z's. Oh, sorry, get rid of the x's, I mean. I'm still wrong here, though. Happy days. Just the x, y, z one. Z equals 10 divided by minus 5. Z equals 2. Okay. Now, if z equals 2, then we're going to get minus 1x minus 2 times 2 minus 1x minus 4 equals 1. Minus 1x equals 4 plus 1. And we get x equals minus 5. 3. Okay, still looking. Sorry guys, z is minus 2. It's minus 2. It's plus 4. 1 second. Exact same as the last one. I just forgot to put the question in. You'll see later. Yeah, I just got x equals 3 now. Multiply both sides by negative. X equals 3. Plug the two of them back into the top. 3y z equals 2. 1 plus y equals 2. Y equals 1. Y equals 1, lads. Excellent. Well done. You're better than I did. I made 2 mistakes. I had to find both mistakes. X, Y, Z. Yeah, it's tough. All right. All right. I'm going to get 2t equals 1 plus 3s. I'm going to, there's no way around. We had to have a fraction. So 3s over 2. Anywhere you see a t, replace it with 1 plus 3s over 2. Okay. 1 plus 3s over 2 times another s and minus 4s squared equals 2. Now we're going to square this one out, which is a lot of hassle. It's 1 plus 3s over 2 multiplied by another 1 plus 3s over 2. Okay, multiply that out. You're going to get 1 plus 3s plus another 3s plus 9s squared all over 4. Have you 2 by 2 and then multiply top by top. Then multiply this out. Get 1 plus 3s squared all over 2 minus 4s squared equals 2. Common denominator 4s, yeah? So that comes, shh, lads, quiet please. 8 over 4, 16 over 4, doesn't it? Yeah, 4 by 4. And then this one here, I have to multiply this by 2. So that'd be 4, 2 on top, that'd be 2, and that'd be 6. Okay. Shh. Okay. 9s squared plus 6x squared is 15s squared. But then there's a minus 16s squared there as well. So that'll be, what's it, minus 1s squared. Okay. 3s and 3s is my 6s. There's an s on the outside here, wasn't it? So it was actually 2s. See the way I forgot to multiply by the s? So that's 2s. And then multiply that. So 3s plus 3s plus 2s is 8s. I'm hoping this comes out good. And then bring the 8 over to your side, is it? Minus 8. Did anybody use the minus b formula for the s and t? S and t, minus b formula. Yeah, no, I'm currently using the minus b formula for this. Okay, I'm multiplied both sides by minus. And what I'm figuring out here is that there's no factors. Have to go to the minus b formula, okay? So it's going to be a is 1, b is minus 8, c is 8. Put that all into the calculator, okay? Yeah. So minus b will just be 8. What's this? 8 plus square root b squared is minus 8 squared, yeah? Minus 4ac, 4 times a times c. Did you know what you get? Yeah. Then we got 1 and 7. So means yeah, that's all right. It means I did something here that I'm not fully aware of. So that's 4 on the bottom. Multiply that up top. That's 2 and 6x squared. That's an 8. There's a 1 over here. Ah, got the 1. See the 1? So it's minus 7, 7 minus 8. That's noob. That's awful. Okay. See how that can set you down like a farmer. Yeah, you're right. It's 1 and 7. So it's s squared minus 8s plus 7, 0. And you get s minus 7 and s minus 1 equals 0. S equals 7. And s equals 1. Lads, what were your two t values then? Yeah. 1 plus 3 times your s value divided by 2. So 3 times your s value is 21. 21 is 22. 22 divided by 2, 11. And then the other one, 3 times 1, 3, 4 over 2, 2. Right. Ugh. All right, lads. So this one here, square both sides. D squared equals a minus b over ac. Anytime you square a square root, the square root disappears. Bring the ac to the top, so it's going to be d squared ac equals a minus b. Goal of the question is to get the c on its own. D squared a is being multiplied on the left, which means it'll be divided on the right. Okay, now this question here, this one here, guys, you're going to multiply c minus 1, which is division on the right, turns into multiplication on the left. The c is trapped in the bracket, so it means we're going to multiply it out. We're going to get bc minus b equals 2c take 1. Bring the 2c to the left and the b to the right, and we get b plus b minus 1. We're going to get b minus 1, and we're going to get bc minus 2c. We're going to take c out, and we're going to have b minus 2, b minus 1. Now we're going to get c equals b minus 1, b minus 2. Okay. Hope that works out for you. Right, best luck in the exam. This will be loaded up today, and yeah, should be all right.